GM guys, welcome to Psolite Solana WorkShop. In this place, we'll be learning about Solana web3.js, a JavaScript package. And what we'll be learning in this case is how to interact with Solana blockchain, how to fetch data, how to send transactions, how to kind of integrate smart contracts. You might be asking why you have to learn this. There are so many opportunities with this learning Solana web3.js. You get. You don't necessarily need to be a Rust guy or something like that. There are so many opportunities from bounties to teams. You can even start up your own project with this. So after this, we are going to have a mini hack where we compete and kind of build a good project. So any first three people that kind of did good on the project will go home with $100 each. So let's jump right in. So for this, we are going to start up with kind of creating a website where you can connect your wallet. Okay, James guys, here I've already installed I've already installed my Next.js app, and also I've installed some dependencies dates for the wallet connect. So let me show you guys how I did it. If you come over to Solana dev, you have a section for how to connect wallet with React. So basically, if you use how to connect wallet with React, I think that is how to connect wallet with Next.js, but let me just use this for now. Then you basically install these dependencies here, and then copy this for the wallet connect. Let's we copy this, and then move over to our code. Let's in the component we just create let's say app wallet wallet let's say provider. Oh, this should be yeah, yeah. Yeah, on the right track. Yeah, we're in the right track. We install this, then we copy this and paste here. So we're going to pass the children through here. Let's say we pass the children, call it children, sorry, not capital, children. So I'll delete it here. Then edit. So as next, we don't need this. And let's also name this wallet provide app wallet provider, and also let's pass in the children, then we name it, call it children. I'm not good at front end development though. I will have to try my best to actually do this. React dot react node. So we are good with this, and let's import it to the layout. Just call app wallet provider, and then children should be now inside. So if we save this, how can I? Okay, we have let's see, let's go npm run dev. Yeah, set up and running on localhost 300. Let's open it up. I think it's taking a while. Oh, we have an error. Okay, yeah. The error is that you need to pass in use client, I think, yeah. Need to pass in use client here on those. So I don't have anything. Let's just refresh. Okay, yeah, we have wallet connect. So you can now say, okay, you can now connect our wallet by just clicking here and then saying, click on maybe Phantom, sorry, Souffle, and click on connect. You see the wallet you connected immediately. Well, let's just get this to the center. Let's just get this to the center. Let's probably remove it from here and place it in the home page, which is this. Because of this, we need to also call use client here too. For use client now, so we have to import this. So we save, and when we import this, okay, it's now in the center. So now you can now maybe disconnect. I don't think we actually need this disconnect. I think this can actually handle both disconnect and connecting. Let's say we click on it and connect. If you click on it, you can see disconnect. So we're going to remove this for now. So we don't need this. So our next, what we're going to learn next is how to create wallet. Let's say you have a website, you want to create wallet for users. So let's work on that. So we also create a component for that and call it, I just call it create wallet. And then let's call uh, const create wallet, and then we move it. And what we basically need to do is, let me say, const create is equal to key pair, key pair dot generate. So this basically generates a wallet for us whenever we call it. So we want to return two things, or let's just return it and we handle it over the front page. Let's just return this, return create, and also let's kind of export. So we have exported this, and also in pages now we want to use something like that. Let's say we need a button. Okay, no UI on this, so on this we need a button that calls that says create wallet. So what you want to do is when you click this button, then the button creates a wallet and gives you the seed phrase and also show you the private key. Sorry, it gives you the not the seed phrase, sorry, the private key, and then also show you the wallet address. So if you want to import it to your wallet, you can still see the same wallet address. So let's handle it on inside the function here. Say wallet wallet equals wallet equals const create equal to create wallet. We call it from create wallet. So whatever it returns, let's call one address. So it returns the address which is you can get it from create dot public key. Then we can convert it to a string. You can just use the string and we get the private key. And the private key we can call it this way create dot sorry call it secret key anyone shall. So but this will give us an array of numbers. So we want to convert it to a string, you get. So because of this we have to install npm install say we have to install bs58 base 58. So I have installed it before. Let me just run it though. So we have to install base 58. So with that base 58, now we can now wrap this inside the base 58, base 50, base 58. I think you also need to import it also here. Import base 58 from base 58. So from the base 58, then you have to encode it. You have to encode it to get you what you want. So I think that's basically it. Let's kind of display it on the web page. So if we do const, let's say set, or if we're not setting it, address, right? Address, then set address, then that's say use state, as a use state, probably a string. I just pass this. So when you kind of call this, then you set it to this address. So and then we need one for the private key also. Let's pass it that way. And we will not be having name conflict, but if you are doing, you probably change your naming to avoid any conflict on it. Private. Let me just make some changes though. And just go like you at the back of this ones to avoid anything. Yeah. So we will save this and then you can now say this public here and now call probably the address uh yeah address and the private key we get. So we call it we and the okay set not set sorry private yeah, this should be lowercase. The private key. Let me just remove this few and just rename the ones inside here to avoid confusion. Okay, just avoid confusion. Just avoid confusion. Okay, so we are setting this. So basically, this is a function we call when you click on this, click on connect. Yeah, you call wallet function. So if we save this and kind of we already have here. So let's say we click on it, it gives you a wallet address and a private key. So let's say we import this private key to see that the whole thing is real. I import the private key into this place, add the private key, and then install. Let's just name it new wallet. So you import this. So if you import it, if you look new wallet, they have J3YC, same thing with this one here, J3YC. So basically, you can now create wallet for users and create multiple wallet by just clicking this button on your website, on your own website, whatever you want to design. So now let's add a gate in the sense that we want only users that connect their wallet to actually be able to create. So we actually be able to create new wallets. So let's get it with now we need to use import use wallet. Say function, yeah. Then we just come here once you have installed and say const public key. This public key will get us the wallet of the connected user. So we're going to import it from use wallet, and this use wallet we have imported it is coming from the adapter. So use wallet now. So it can be null and it can be null and it can be private key or the public key. Then we can copy it and say and use it here and make the argument that if there is if the public key exists, then kind of display connect wallet. Let me kind of display connect wallet. We just take this both the buttons here. Yeah, take both the button into this place and also take this one into this place and then say if it does not exist, just present string, just empty string. So with this, if we go back to the website, okay, let me disconnect. Yeah, I'll stop seeing it. When I connect back, I will start seeing it. Get we have used the connect wallet now to actually gauge whether user will create something or not. So I think that is it for this section. I hope you guys understood what happened. I want to make it as easy as possible and short. You get. So the assignment for this one is kind of replicating what we did already. You get. So we don't need you to kind of just sit down and now don't do anything. Just code along. Once you code along with what we did here, put it to your GitHub repo. You can talk about it on Twitter, what you learned and stuff like that, and also tag me on it. Yeah, peace.